Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to remove or uninstall WordDS 20.3 in Oracle Apex 20.2. First we need to check our WordDS installation directory where we installed WordDS. I install it in C drive. Image, go to C drive, then Oracle F under fx and not this one WordDS. Then this one inside have many data, so when we are uninstall then we'll remove. This is image folder. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall ORD. How to download and install and connect ORD with Oracle Database 19c under description. I will give you link, check under description. Now I am going to show you how to check which user created in WordDS under by using Todd. So select this command, then copy, then go to Todd and paste here. Select username, account status, from db user, hire username like WordDS. Select all command, then click execute. Then see here showing 3 user have under WordDS. This open it. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall WordDS. This is WordDS installation directory location path. Oracle F WordDS. This one. See Oracle F, then open WordDS. This location. Then copy this path. Go to run. Write cmd, then enter. Here write cd space paste URL. Then we need to write here Java. This one Java -jar WordDS.war and uninstall this one WordDS.war. Here inside have WordDS directory inside this one. Then copy this one, then paste here Java space -jar space WordDS.war space uninstall. Then press enter. Wait some time. Here entire number for 1 basic, 2 for TNS, 3 for custom URL. We need 1 basic, so press enter. Then database server localhost, okay, press enter. Listener port 1521, okay, press enter. Then SID this one, okay, service name, press enter. Then here this is very important, database service name. This one you will find your database installation directory, C drive, Oracle, DB home. Here you check network, this one network. Then here admin. Here you find this one TNS name, open, right click, open. Then here see service name, this one service name. then ORCLDB, this is my database name, copy this one, then paste here, press enter. This is administrator username, means sys username, right? Sys sys sys, then press enter. This is sys password, right? Sys password, then press enter, then confirm password, press enter. Just wait some time. Our WordDS uninstall under processing. WordDS completed uninstall for Oracle Rich Data Services. So our WordDS already finished uninstall. Now we need again check our user remove it or not. Click execute. See, user already remove it. This one by default, when you install database, then this one by default create. Now this already uninstalled. Now we need to delete this folder, because this is very important. If you need again install, so this one already missing any file, so if you uninstall, you must be delete your this old one, delete, then you can install new one. How can you install WordDS? Under description I will give you link, then you can find under description. Now I delete this folder, then deleting, click try again. This one maybe our CMD open like this, try again, click, then delete. So like this way you can remove or uninstall your WordDS 20.3 in Oracle FX 20.2 or any FX version you install with WordDS, then you can uninstall WordDS like this same. So if you feel any problem, please comment me, I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for